So welcome for today's class, of mathematics. This is for class 9th mathematics, chapter 9 and areas of parallelogram and triangle, exercise 9.1, question number 1. So I will be doing exercise 9.1, question number 1 today. So let me start. First, you can take down the question, that is exercise 9.1, question number 1. Which of the following figures lie on the same base and between the same parallels? In such a case, write the common base and two parallels you'll have to write down. Okay. So you can write down for the first one. So let us see the common base for this one. The common base for this one is common base you'll have to write down. Okay. First, let me make it little bit small so that I can write down. Okay. So for this one, the common base is going to be, common base is DC, right? See, in the given figure, you all can see DC is the common base, okay? So for what it is? DAP and ABCD, DC, for both this thing, DC is the common base, okay? Next, what is parallel over here? AB is parallel to DC. Now, when we have taken this DC to be a common base, so what is parallel? DC and AB is parallel over here, okay? Moving towards the question number 2, that is here. In this, can you all see a common base? There is no common base, there is no parallels also. So your answer is directly no, okay? The solution is no. And here your solution was starting like this, okay? Next, moving towards the next part, here let us see. For the third one, here your common base is what? Common base is, here there is a, okay, you can see QASR, okay, and RTQ. So QR is the common base, okay? Your QR is a common base. And also QR and PS is parallel. Both of them are parallel. QR and PS are parallel. Now moving towards the fourth one. Here you all can see anything common. No, there is no common base, no common parallel. There is no parallel line also. So your answer is directly no. Okay. Next, moving towards the question number 5th one, that is, here let us see which is the common base. Okay. Let us write the common base over here. Common base is, now you can see the common base over here is AD. AD is the common base because these are attached towards this line. Okay. So obviously AD and BQ is parallel. Okay. Common base is AD. Okay. Also, AD is parallel to BQ, right? Moving towards the next part, here your answer is directly no because there is no common base, no parallel lines, okay? So rest also you can put here also, somewhere here also. Okay, first one, the common base was DC and AB was parallel to DC. Means AB and DC are parallel. In the second one, it was no. Third one, QR was the common base. QR and PS were parallel. Fourth one was answer was no. And the fifth one was common base was A and D, and AD and BQ were parallel. For the last one, answer is no. So I hope you all have understood exercise 9.1 question number 1. And thanks for watching.